In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create an account and log in to the Solved dashboard. First, if you already have a Gmail account, you can log in directly using it. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create One. You can sign up by filling in your full name, email, and password. After submitting your information, you'll receive a verification email. Open the email and click Verify Email to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, go back to the Solved dashboard, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Solved. Next, I'll show you how to connect Adknot.ai with SLVD.ai to whitelist your stores and scan them for free. First, open the SLVD.ai dashboard. In the upper right corner, you'll see the status Not Connected. Click on it to start linking Adknot.ai to SLVD.ai. After clicking, you'll be taken to My Adknot.ai stores. Here, copy the generated connection string. Once copied, you're done on SLVD.ai for now. Next, go to Adknot.ai. Enter your Adknot account details, then click Login. Once logged in, the Adknot.ai dashboard will open. Now, click on Connect to SLVD.ai. Paste the connection string you copied from SLVD.ai, then click Connect. This connection will whitelist your Adknot stores, meaning they can now be scanned completely for free. Once the connection is successful, your store will show as connected. Finally, go back to the SLVD.ai dashboard, click Refresh Stores, and your stores will appear. Next, I'll show you how to create a new order for AI-powered GMC compliance. First, click on New Order. Then choose AI-powered GMC compliance. Paste your store domain URL, then choose the plan you want. You'll see two available plans. The first plan is a one-time full GMC compliance audit, which provides a detailed list of all detected issues. This option includes a single full-site compliance scan. The second plan includes the same full GMC compliance scan with unlimited rescans for the same domain within 48 hours. If you are an Adknot whitelisted store, you are eligible for a 100% free scan. Then click Next. The signature setup is required only the first time and for each store. First, we need to fill in the signature and signature input. Go to your Shopify store, click on Online Store, and select Preferences. Scroll down to the Crawler Access section and click on Create Signature. Now we can start filling out the signature form. For signature name, enter Add-on. Choose your primary domain. Set the expiration date, then click Create Signature. Once the signature is created, copy both the signature and the signature input, then paste them into SLVD.ai and click Next. The order review page will open. Review the details, then click Place Order and wait while the order is submitted. After submission, click on the order and you'll be taken to the Overview Score page. Here, the blue circular icons mean the scan is currently running, and the green icons mean the scan is completed. On the right side, you can check your overall health score. If you selected the second plan, click Rescan. All rescans within the 48-hour window are completely free, and your wallet will not be charged again. You can also see how many times the store has been rescanned. Then select Confirm and Rescan. Once the scan is finished, you can click on each feature to view the full detailed results. Finally, I'll show you how to top up your wallet. First, go to the billing page. Then click on Top Up Wallet. Choose the amount you'd like to add and click Confirm. Enter your credit card details and click Pay. Once the payment is completed, you'll see the added balance reflected in your wallet on the dashboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.